Hey everyone, we're here to share more ideas on products featured in our last month's club kit. The kits are no longer shipping, but you can find all the products in our September release now on the website. We've linked it in the video description. In this video, we are sharing ideas for the following products: Nesting Postage Collage Die, Nesting Postage Greeting Stamp Set, and the Postage Let It Snow Stencil. At the heart of it is the Nesting Postage Collage Die, which includes 3 postage edge shapes, a rectangle, a circle, and a label strip. They're sized to work beautifully together or on their own, great for A2, A6, and A7 cards. Use them as focal points, frames, or spots for sentiments. Lots of possibilities to play with. We also included 3 matching straight edge blocks dies, so you can use the postage shapes as simple matte layers too. The Nesting Postage Greeting Stamp Set. It includes 11 cheerful sentiments that fit inside the small rectangle. Stamp them directly into the strips or tuck them away anywhere you want to add a little joy. We've also got theme stencil add-ons to bring your NPC designs to life. Launching with this release are Let It Snow, Mush Love, and Party Bear, with more to come. As one of the first 3 stencils designed for the Nesting Postage Collage collection, the Let It Snow stencil also works beautifully on its own. When pairing it with the NPC die, start with step 1 on stencil 1 to add the background, snowman's nose, and buttons. Step 2 and 3 are both on the right side of the stencil, so a little masking with a post-it note will help you prevent any accidental smudging between steps. For the snowman's eyes, you'll find 2 options, both located on the second stencil. The circle shape features a friendly penguin in 4 steps. Each step is numbered with edge color suggestions right on the stencil. Remember to wipe off any excess ink with a dry towel between colors to keep your blending clean. For the label shape, we've included a simple 2-layer mountain scene. If you plan to stamp a greeting over the label, stick to a light or medium shade so your sentiments stand out. We also love how easy it is to simply flip the stencil to create a mirrored image for all 3 shapes. You can easily arrange the shapes on A2, A6, and A7 cards to create your own collage. In the rest of the video, Galena shares 3 ways to use these products. We hope you enjoy it and feel inspired as she creates 3 cards with it.